Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I am going to show you how to send a UPI payment QR code using a Google Sheets for purchase form. This is a great way to streamline payments for your customers. So first, start by creating a new Google Sheet. Set up your purchase form with columns for item names, prices, quantities, and a column for the UPI payment QR code. Now use a UPI payment application like Google Pay or Paytm to generate payment QR codes for each item or total amount. Save these QR codes as images and upload them to your Google Drive. In your Google Sheets purchase form, link each item or payment row to its corresponding QR code image. You can do this by inserting the image directly into the cell or by adding a hyperlink to the QR code image in Google Drive. Finally, share the Google Sheets purchase form with your customers. They can scan the QR codes directly from the form to make their payments quickly and securely. And that is how you send a UPI payment QR code using a Google Sheets purchase form. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.